Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Anker PowerConf S3 MS and I'm going to show you how can you easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues. At first you have to check if your device is in pairing mode. If it isn't, you just have to click this button over here. Now it is. If it doesn't help, you just have to soft reset it. To soft reset, we just have to push our power button for 2 seconds. Now our device is turned off. Now we have to turn this device on. That's it. Hope it helps you. If it doesn't help you and you don't find this tutorial helpful, you just have to contact the support of this device. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.